Do you thrift and upcycle? Well, here's why some people don't, but everyone should.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
So I don't shop at thrift stores because it's like taking clothes away from poor people. And poor people can't afford to buy new clothes in new stores, you know? So that's why I totally don't shop at thrift stores. You're taking clothes away from poor people. They can't afford to shop in stores like this. Okay.
Sadly, thrift and charity shops are now having to compete with the continually reducing prices of mass-produced, unethical fast fashion. Mass-produced new has now become cheaper than donated used. And consumers, honestly, have to think to themselves, it is not simply the big business and huge corporations behind the fast fashion factories and production, but also the consumers themselves who are constantly demanding new, but at the cheapest possible price. So the next time you're in your favorite fast fashion store reaching for that steal of a deal bargain, maybe you want to stop for half a second and think to yourself, who actually made that? And why the hell is it so damn cheap?
Well, I've heard that there are demons and evil spirits in those things at the thrift store, don't you know? And I wouldn't want to be bringing any of that stuff home. You'd have to have a flippin' exorcism every time you wanted to wear that dress.
I guess there's no arguing with that completely logical, totally not crazy thought process. Am I right?
Well, shopping at a thrift store or charity shop, you're having a laugh, ain't you? Well, it's just grotty and disgusting, isn't it? Other people wore them clothes. Other people could have died in them clothes. Who wants to wear something that someone else has touched? It's just disgusting.
So, I can only assume that the people who use that argument for not thrifting have never stayed in a hotel and have never eaten in a restaurant. Because, can you imagine the amount of bodies that have slept in those hotel room sheets? Or the amount of naked bodies that have been wiped down in intimate areas with those hotel towels? Or even better, how many different people's mouths that restaurant cutlery has been in? Oh, what's that? They wash it before they give to the next customer? Oh my God, well maybe you can also wash things that have been thrifted. So, just for fun, let's take a look at how many different people have possibly touched that brand new item that you recently purchased at your favorite fast fashion store.
As you can see, I always like to look my best, and I always need the latest styles direct from the runway. You can't get this kind of gear at the thrift store.
Dude, have you never heard of the 20-year trend cycle? Styles are continually repeating themselves, so not only can you recreate modern runway looks from items at the thrift store, but those items are going to be totally vintage, which will make you extra unique and extra cool.
It's time to step away from unethically produced, throwaway, fast fashion and hit the thrift shop for some amazingly unique, sustainable style.